Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. As you can see guys, I'm now in my workshop. I got Mercedes-Benz here, A-Class 2013. So we go inside the car and I'll show you the customer complaint. Go inside the car. I got a key here. That's the key. I put the key in the ignition. Turn the ignition on. As you can see, it doesn't come any light on it, no light on the dash, nothing. It doesn't do anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my auto and I'm going to do one diagnostic and then we go from there. Alright guys, I'll connect my interface diagnostic to OBD port, and this is the auto. If anyone interested, this is auto Maxicom Ultra. So let me just turn it on. We just do one quick diagnostic and we see what happened. I'm going to put the key in the ignition, put the ignition on. As you can see, there is no light, and when you try to start, nothing happened. So I'm going to go for Mercedes. Now I'm going to press read. Looks like it doesn't read the chassis number, and yeah, we just wait to see what happens. As you can see guys, it didn't read my chassis number. It looks like we don't have any communication with the car. So let me just do one more inspection. As you can see guys, normally I should get lock and unlock from the steering lock. As you can see, the steering is not on lock position, is on lock. It looks like we got problem with the ELV. So let me just get another diagnostic, because with auto I don't think so we can get any information from the car. Alright guys, I disconnect the auto. As you can see, I connect the CGMB to the OBD port. Let's go back to laptop. So I'm going to go to Benz. Make sure you go on internet before you do anything. Before I do anything, I just take the key out and just put on the CGMB, and then we just go read key. As you can see guys, we got all the information about the key, so definitely we don't have any problem with the key. Now guys, I got my emulator. I'm going to use this emulator for ELV steering lock. I'll show you guys. This is the actual connection for the steering lock. As you can see, I already disconnected. It's all the way top to the steering. And let me see if I can focus. Yeah, this is the actual connector to the ELV. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to program new ELV, and then once we program the new ELV emulator, and we should get everything back to normal. Alright guys, I connect the emulator. As you can see guys, is on red color, which is hasn't been programmed. So let's reprogram the ELV emulator, and then we see if we can start the car. So we go to the EIS. I'm gonna press read. As you can see guys, we got all the information from the car. So obviously CGMB can get communication with the ignition. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to computer password. So we're going to get the password from the actual key. So we just go to other key. Alright, please insert the key into EIS and click OK. Yes. Please insert the key in the CGMB. So I put the key on CGMB. I hope you guys can see. Sorry, it's very blurry, it's very dark here. Alright, please insert the key to the ignition. So I take the key out and put the key on the ignition and press OK. Please wait for 8 seconds. Please pull out the key from the EIS and then click OK. Please insert the key to the EIS again. So put the key in EIS. Okay. Pull out the key for 5 seconds, then insert the EIS. Just say OK. Or please insert the key to the CGME again and press OK. Just communicating, and now we need to save the file, and I save it. Okay, save. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go to upload data, and then we go to the desktop. We just load the data. Now it's connecting to the server. We just say OK. Alright, as you can see guys, we got a passport here, and then we go back to the EIS. As you can see guys, I got already the passport here, so I'm gonna save EIS data. Alright, that's already saved. From here we go to ELV simulator, and then we load the file here. That's the one, and we're gonna write OK. Now it's connecting to the server. Okay. I'm gonna plug the key in the car and put the ignition on, and that's it. Yes. Now I'm just getting the car. Yes. That's how you do it, guys. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, this is my friend. It's all done. Very happy, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.